Raider Professional presents Gasoline Chainsaw RDP GCS25. A single-cylinder, two-stroke, air-cooled gasoline engine with a volume of 52 cc and a power of 2.4 kilowatts powers the gasoline chainsaw Raider RDP GCS25. The fuel tank holds 550 milliliters and the chain oil container has a capacity of 260 milliliters. Stable operation, low vibration and the easy-on system for easy and soft start characterize this Raider's chainsaw. The gasoline chainsaw RDP GCS25 features with a powerful but economic engine with low fuel consumption and reduced exhaust emissions, a fuel feed pump, an automatic chain lubrication, an excellent 4-point anti-vibration system, and with an ergonomic design.